Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel KANYA Art and Craft. This is Priya, and this time I have again come up with another jewelry DIY video on your request. In this video, I have tried to create 4 different styles of jewelry keeping Navratri and Durga Puja theme in my mind using very common material which we already have available at your home. And I hope you love the ideas. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, I'm taking a paper and a ruler and drawing a 1-inch width line. You can keep the width and the length according to your requirement. Cut the 2 strip and from one side cut it like this. Now taking a red fabric, cutting it into 2 pieces. Placing both the strips over the fabric and sticking them together using Fevicol. Covering the strip with the fabric from all the sides like this. Now on the other end, I will attach few strands of cotton thread to make an arrangement to tie the neck piece on the back, giving a knot and sticking the thread using glue. Do the same for both the strips. Now drawing some geometrical pattern on the strips. Using 3D outliner to draw a dotted line to give it a look like a stitch. Now taking a cardboard and drawing a half circle, cutting it using craft knife. Taking jute fabric, mark the outline and cut it. Then stick the jute fabric to the cardboard using glue. Cutting another small circle and sticking a red color fabric to the circle using glue. Cutting the extra fabric and cutting slits around the circle and sticking the edges like this. Sticking another piece of fabric to secure the backside. This stick I got it from an invitation card, so thought of using it, and this is a cotton thread. I'm wrapping it around the stick like this. And now I'm going to assemble all the parts of the jewelry together. First, take the half circle part and stick it like this using hot glue gun. Now taking a piece of fabric to attach all other parts to the pendant. Attaching the stick. Now sticking the circle piece to the cardboard. Now taking some Pom Pom and Kauri shell beads which I restored from one of my old jewelry and dupatta. You will be surprised to know that I didn't bought a single thing for this project. I tried to create all this jewelry with the material which I have already available at my home. So you can also try creating things with whatever material you have available at your home. You just need to look around to find the perfect match for your idea. You can also recycle your old dress, denims, jewelry, fabric to create something new and interesting. Like here, I'm using one of my earrings which I don't really use right now. So thought of using it for this jewelry. And attaching one small mirror to hide the whole of the earring. And we are done with our first project, and see how beautiful it looks. I totally loved how it came out. Now let's proceed to our next project. So for this project we are again cutting a half circle and placing it to the cardboard again to mark a bigger circle. Taking a yellow fabric and sticking it to the smaller piece. Cutting the extra fabric and the corners. And giving slits around the half circle like this. Applying Fevicol hammer, covering each corner of the cardboard with fabric. Now sticking jute fabric to the bigger piece of board. I have already drawn a sketch of Devi Ma on paper, now using a carbon paper to trace it. I'm applying light beige color on the face. Applying red color on the forehead. Applying little darker shade on the corner of the face to create dimension. Applying dark brown color to the hair. Applying red color on the border. Drawing the eyes using brush number 000. Painting some flowers. And it is ready. Sticking it to the bigger piece of cardboard like this. Placing Pom Pom and Kauri shell bits to the bottom part and stitching together. Using cotton Dori or cord, which is again from my old jewelry. This cotton Doris are easily available in the market, and I'll also provide the Amazon link in the description box. You can buy it directly from there. Using cotton balls, which is again very easily available in the market, or you can also make them at your home. These are very easy to make. And don't worry, I'll also provide the link in the description box. I have used compass to make a hole. And we are done with the second project. Isn't it looking pretty? I'm falling in love with this necklace and I'm surely going to wear this on the occasion of Durga Puja. See how beautiful it looks when paired with a sari. So now let's proceed to our third project. Again taking a piece of cardboard, cutting two different size circles, taking red color fabric and sticking it to both the circle. Cutting extra fabric and also cutting slits around the circle. Now sticking the fabric around the circle. Using molded. mix equal portion from both the component. Now drawing a swastik symbol. Rolling the clay to create thin strips and sticking it following the sketch using glue. If you have noticed, I have applied yellow color on the small size board as I don't have yellow color fabric available. Applying red color. Applying black color. Now sticking it to the bigger size board. Applying fabric glue and sticking this cotton cord around. Again taking a cotton Dori, few pom poms, cotton beads and Kauri shell beads. Stitching them together. And please subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful and interesting, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming projects. And this is how it looks. Now let's proceed to the last project. Taking a piece of paper, cutting 1-inch strip, then marking 24 cm and cutting it. Taking a indigo fabric and wrapping the piece of paper like this using the fabric. You can keep the length and weight according to your neck size. I have kept 24-inch length and width is 1 inch. Now sticking some small size mirror, maintaining equal distance. Using 3D outliner of different color to give it a look like an embroidery. This design is inspired from Kutch embroidery. You can also try Katha stitch and a different kind of embroidery patterns using this 3D outliner. Trust me, it will look beautiful and vibrant. You can also try this kind of embroidery to change the look of your old boring kurti, dupatta, tops and bottoms as well. Now drawing dotted lines to give it an effect like run stitch. Keep it for 3 to 4 hours for the 3D outliner to dry. Now I'm taking a lace. I bought this lace 2 to 3 years back for designing my blouse sleeve, and this much is left over from that project, so thought of using it here. If you don't have such kind of lace available at your end, then you can also use Pom Pom lace, and you can also make tassel at your home and attach. Now for the tying, taking a piece of fabric and a cotton thread. Stick the thread on the back side of the jewelry using fabric glue. Apply some more glue and then stick the fabric over that. Then let it dry. And this is how it looks. Isn't it looking pretty? Do let me know in the comment section below which one you like the most. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and wish you a very happy Navratri and Durga Puja.